Here is a little walk through the garden again. Kind of June 18th. So we are looking at volunteer sunflowers. That's compost pile. And there's some dahlias growing there in the middle. The beginning of this row 1A is nothing right now. I'm trying to make a decision as to what I'm going to put here. I've got some celosia in the greenhouse, and just got to figure out what I'm doing. So zinnias, I am super excited about these zinnias, and all of my zinnias, to be correct. They're amazing. I'm so happy I started them later. I'm a little bit sad I don't have blooms now, but I'm super happy that I started them later. So we've got some snapdragons and more snapdragons, and my marigold beast going to town and having fun. I tried drying some heads, and I'm wondering if maybe I should be drying the heads in silica as opposed to just drying them on a rack in the greenhouse. So I might change that a little bit. Bells of Ireland, doing quite well. Sweet Annie, apparently was supposed to pinch that, and I did not. So I don't know how helpful it's going to be. Salvia, Blue Monday Sage, Pride of Gibraltar, a nice patch of Pride of Gibraltar, looks great. Ranunculus are winding down, super pretty, I absolutely loved them. And then I've got some dahlias that are planted here that are going to pop up. So Lisianthus, doing super good. And that is the end of row 1A. We will do 2A. My cress is flopping over, but I'm going to let it do its thing, see what happens. Straw flowers are doing amazing. Super excited about this color. That's the color that I purposely planted because I liked the lighter. Of course, I'm a pink lady, so I like the lighter too. So hopefully there'll be some orange stuff in here because the orange is nice too. And then we've got starflower over there, and we've got statice here. Lots of statice. That was my goal this year, was to get plenty of stuff to dry for everlasting bouquets. I have some weeds here, it looks like. And I've got some very, very pretty Russian statice. That did super well. Don't mind me while I pull a weed or two. And my asters. My asters are starting to show up. Super pretty color. Don't know if you can tell with the sun blaring on them as much as they are. I think we have volunteer tomatoes in here. There is row 3A. We have all sorts of amaranth. I forget the names of them. Hot biscuits. I see that I have a zinnia over there blooming already. Emeralds. Beads, I believe, is also over there. I'm not quite sure all of them, but yeah. And Bells of Ireland. And some more Blue Monday Salvia Blue Monday Sage, and some weeds that need to be pulled. Basil and stuff over there. Some zinnias need to be taken care of. And more zinnias in row 3B. So zinnias, dragon heads, marigolds, cosmos. And then we are here at 2B, and we've got calendula, quite the patch of calendula, super excited about it. More Russian sage, some soapwort that I planted and I couldn't find, but apparently it was moved to the Russian statice tray. I'm not really sure what happened. More marigolds. Super excited about this feverfew. Kind of cute, kind of ruffly. Artichokes, frosted explosion, Mexican feathergrass, more Sweet Annie, a self-seeded apple of Peru. That's our pumpkin patch. And then we have the dahlia patch, which it's all blooming way too early, way too short, but they're kind of the shorter variety, so was hoping to have some of those for the weddings, but they might be done by the time the wedding gets here. And gladiolas, my zinnias. These are my oldest zinnias, so they'll be giving me blooms soon. I just went through and pinched several of them. I didn't have the heart to pinch all of them, so. And more Sweet Annie? Feverfew. I'm not sure which one. I get the two confused. Pride of Gibraltar and more marigolds. Probably way too much marigolds, but it is what it is. And more volunteer sunflowers. So there is the garden for today, June 18th. Have a fabulous day.